Have you seen all the AI influencers popping up on Instagram, TikTok, and even YouTube? Some people are making serious money with these digital stars. She's got millions of followers, she lives in LA, and she's not even real. Believe it or not, AI influencers are flooding the web, taking over social media. They're everywhere, sporting the latest styles, showcasing new outfits at home, traveling the world, and building huge followings. But how are people creating these digital stars? The problem is that most videos I watched on creating AI influencers talked about super complicated tools. If you've ever tried them, you know they're not beginner-friendly. So I did some research and found a tool that can build an AI influencer with just one click. This AI tool is called APOB. The best part is that APOB is totally free to try. New users get 80 credits every single day, which lets you generate images with your character. Plus, this AI tool has some really neat features we'll explore together. The interface is super easy to navigate. Let's take a look. On the homepage, when you first log in, you'll see a gallery of portraits created by other APOB users. This can give you some ideas for your own character. To get started, just click Create Portrait Model, and it'll take you to a user-friendly interface to make your character. You can either upload your own image as your model reference image, or you can create your character with the Apub AI influencer model. For the first example, I'll select AI influencer generator. I can define my character here. I'll select the gender woman, age 35, let's say she is from Brazil. You can also add the second nationality if you want. You can customize every physical feature, eye color, hairstyle, hair color, and even face shape to create a unique character. Hit Generate. Within a few seconds, your AI influencer is ready. Click on Select this image as reference image to continue. Now, the first thing I do is to name my character and hit Create Image Model. All right, here you can see our model information on the left side. There are a few tabs here. The first tab allows you to select your prompt set. There are some cool prompt sets here. I can select a location or a country to simulate that my model is traveling. Want your character to look like an anime character? You want your model to be surrounded by nature, rainforest, desert, camping, surfing. She could be hanging out at a music festival one day, then chilling on a beach the next, and even hanging out with friends. There are also LinkedIn headshots, salesperson, marketing specialist, teacher headshot, etc. Next, we have sports, fitness, swimsuits, nightlife, Christmas, and the list goes on. I'll select K-pop girl for this example. Here I can select the aspect ratio of my model. I'll just leave it on 9:16. It'll take a few seconds to generate the model. It will give me 4 images. I can look at them and select the best ones. They all look great. Here, there is an option to upscale the image. It will take 16 credits to upscale the image. After it's done, you can click here to download it to your device. Let's try 2 more prompt sets. I'll select underwater, hit Generate. Here are the images. They look pretty good, right? Next, let's try forest. All right, the images are ready. Let's take a look. I think they look great. You can download them all or just select the one you like the most. Let me show you some of the features we have here. Build your own. If you have some ideas in mind to bring your character to life, you can enter them here. You can also choose the character's style, environment, appearance, and even the weather. Let's get a feel for this feature's performance. Lisa, which is the name of my model, wearing a breezy white sundress. Then we can choose from different styles. Let's go with pixel art. Hit Generate, and in just a few seconds, our images will be ready. Let's try realistic this time. I'll hit Generate. As you can see, the image quality is fantastic. All right, let's try selecting an environment. I'll choose Stage. Wow, the AI just adjusted the dress style. It gave Lisa a breezy white sundress that's perfect for a stage appearance. Let's do one more example. I'll select Starry Sky and hit Generate. Look closely. Her dress has transformed again, and her pose is perfect for a starry sky photo. Next, we have the Expert tab. This is for advanced users who are comfortable writing prompts in detail. Here's my prompt. Lisa, a cool 30-year-old from Brazil, balances on her beat-up surfboard. Her bright red swimsuit pops against the clear blue water. Wind blows through her hair as she waits for the next wave. Hit Generate. Let's see what the AI came up with. The detail is incredible. It's hard to believe these aren't actual photographs. Next, we have the face swap feature. You can upload a picture of someone completely different from the character we just created. It can swap faces, creating a whole new person in seconds. I'll upload a blonde woman and hit Generate. It takes a few seconds and our image is ready. See how the original face in the image has been replaced with our character's face. The last feature is image to video. It works best with images generated by this very model. Let's try it out with one of the images we created earlier. Upload it and hit generate. Here is our video. This feature is brand new and still under development. Now what if I have an image of a person I want my character to look like? I'll upload it here. Click Save. I'll give it a name. Hit Generate Image Model. The rest of the steps are the same. I'll select a prompt set. This time I'll choose Athens, and the aspect ratio is 9:16. Hit Generate. Our images are ready. Notice how the character's face stays consistent across all the images. This AI tool excels at generating variations while maintaining a core identity. I will upscale it and then download it. Next, I'll select Beach. Next time, I will select Rainforest. So, as you've seen, this AI tool is incredibly powerful. If you're feeling inspired, you can click on the link in the description below to give it a try. I reached out to the Apub team, and they were kind enough to offer my viewers a special discount. If you decide to check it out, be sure to use the discount code at checkout to save 15% on your purchase. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Until then, take care.